and welcome to another great adventure over here on RJB Wildlife. Today we are here at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park where I'm going to be continuing our Species Spotlight series. Here in this series we're going to take one animal at the San Diego Zoo or the Safari Park and just do an educational spotlight on that animal. But this one's going to be a bit different and we're going to kind of change the series from here on out. We are also going to be focusing on photography. That's right. I'm going to be trying to get the best shots available as well as show you the equipment I use. So if you're ready for another great adventure, let's go. The species that we are going to focus on for this spotlight is going to be none other than the Matschie's tree kangaroo. This is a species of macropod native to the island of Papua New Guinea in a very small mountain range peninsula on the northeast portion of the island. What makes them really cool is they are one of the true arboreal species of kangaroo or wallaby. The majority of the species are going to be terrestrial, such as the western gray kangaroo and the Bennett's wallaby that you can see over in the walkabout, which we'll go through a little bit later. But these are very unique species. They live in high elevations in the mountainous regions of Papua New Guinea, specifically the Huon Peninsula. And their diet is specifically a herbivorous diet. They'll have some fruit as well in there, but they will just reside up in the trees. They'll eat the leaves, they'll eat a lot of fruits and vegetation that they can find. And they are primarily going to be a solitary species. On very rare occasion will you find groups of them, such as like a male-female pair with a joey. The Matschie's tree kangaroo, along with the other species of tree kangaroos, is actually differentiated from normal species of macropods such as kangaroos and wallabies because they are actually able to move their hind legs individually, unlike what you would see with a red kangaroo where they will move it singularly, like they'll use their forearms to move their hind legs forward and kind of prop themselves up, kind of like a crutch. These animals are marsupials, so they're going to be born in a pouch. And when a Matschie's tree kangaroo is born, it is going to be about the size of your thumbnail. So little, tiny little jelly bean-sized baby that makes its way to becoming a fully grown animal like this here. It's a lot of work for that animal. Another thing that's really cool about this species is how they thermoregulate. They're going to lick their forearms in order to regulate the temperature within their bodies. Because these animals live in an environment that can drastically change as far as temperature and climate, they have to do this, and as well as lick their forearms during the hot months, their metabolic rate helps with adjusting to the temperature changes as well. This species of tree kangaroo is also considered an endangered species, and the main reason it is considered endangered is because its habitat is being destroyed. Oil drilling and the logging practice has really wreaked havoc over there on the island of Papua New Guinea, and those trees are extremely important for the survival of this species. And once again, these are confined to a very small provincial area, mountainous region, and with them being threatened, they are part of a very important conservation project around the globe. In fact, Matschie's tree kangaroos, along with the Goodfellows tree kangaroo, are going to be the main species you will see representative of the rest of the tree kangaroo family. Here at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park, you can find the Matschie's tree kangaroo over in the Walkabout Australia exhibition, which takes you through the woodlands of Australia and teaches you about the conservation efforts going on over there. Wildlife is very unique in Australia. You can't find any of it really anywhere else in the world, and roadkill and deforestation along with other pollution activities are really harming the animals there. So I want to spend some time now to talk about the equipment I'm using for some of these photos. This is going to be a Nikon D500 with the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter lens. It is my workhorse lens that I use at the zoo and the park. There is another lens I have in here that we might use later, but for all of the shots that you're seeing, both video and pictures, are all coming from this lens and this camera. As well, I do have this little Rode Video Micro 2 mic with a dead cat on top of it. So over here at the Zestables shed, I was able to get a pretty good picture. There is a viewing area here that is a window that's propped open. In this image, it is 640th of a second with 1250 ISO, as well at the 7.1 aperture. this is how it turned out. That's going to do it for today. If you enjoyed this adventure, please be sure to hit the like button. And if you would like to see future adventures on this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and as well as that notification bell. And until next time, I hope to see you all again in the next adventure on RJB Wildlife.